Hello and welcome to my channel Zafaris. In today's video I'll show you the 10 best editor themes for VS Code, in my opinion of course. I advise you to watch the whole video as there's some awesome themes coming up to spice up your editor, and there's definitely a theme for everyone. Links to all of the themes that are shown in this video will be in the description down below, so let's get straight into it. So as you can see, I've got VS Code opened up right here, and I've got the default dark theme that VS Code comes with called Dark Plus. And to be honest, this theme is also, it's a pretty good theme. All of the colors have good contrast with the background, and the color palette itself isn't the best, but it's definitely pretty decent. Anyway, let's move on to the first theme that you can download, which is called Dracula. And immediately you can see the difference. So the colors are a lot more vibrant. We've got this pink and green, they stand out the most. But in my opinion, I think that they're a bit too bright, so they stick out a bit. But I can definitely see some of you guys liking this theme and using it as your main. Next, let's see Solarized Dark, which it is a default theme from VS Code, but as you can see, it's got like this sort of blue background, turquoise, and the colors are quite faded out, so like there isn't much contrast between the actual text and the background, but some of you might like that. And I think that there's actually a theme that you can download from the VS Code extensions called Better Solarized Dark. As you can see, it's like based off the default Solarized Dark, but it's got a few different colors. So the next one we're going to look at is Winter is Coming, the dark blue version. There's also a dark black version which also looks pretty good, but this dark blue version, in my opinion, looks a lot better. And you can see it's got like a dark sort of dark blue sort of theme. All of the colors have pretty good contrast with the background, and yeah, just a pretty nice theme. The next one is going to be Night Owl. This is also a pretty nice theme. It's quite similar to Winter is Coming, but I think the background is a bit darker. It's like a navy blue. So yeah, also a really nice theme. And next we have a really popular theme, which is the Material theme. Now, as you can see, there's many variations. So there's the normal one, Ocean, Darker, and there's also high contrast versions of these. But yeah, I'll just show these for now. I think the Material theme Darker is probably the most popular theme. So as you can see, it's also quite nice. The colors look good, good contrast. So yeah, a really nice theme that you should probably definitely check out. And the next one, which I actually really like, is called Nord. Look at that. So as you can see, it's got this sort of light grey bluish color as the background, and then all of the colors are really light, and it's like light blue, light green, and white. And I think that these colors go really well together. And you can use this theme like at nighttime, during the day, it's really good. So the next one will be Monokai Pro, which is based off the standard Monokai, which is a default theme in VS Code. It's one of the downloaded ones. But Monokai Pro is like based off that, but just looks a lot cooler. All of the colors pop out more, and the background is a nicer color as well. And now the next one we have is One Dark Pro. Now this theme is the most downloaded theme in all of VS Code. So if we go over to the extensions and we search, so we can go over here, install additional color themes. And if you look at how many downloads each of these have, we can see that One Dark Pro has 3.2 million downloads. Material theme has 3.1 million. So these two are the most popular themes. but One Dark Pro is the most popular theme of all of VS Code, and for good reason. It looks really, really nice. The color palette is like pastel. The background colors are gray. It all looks really nice. And I've used this theme for a very long time, and I really, really like it. Now this next one is a sort of hybrid between Monokai Pro and One Dark Pro, and it's called One Monokai. So as you can see, not much changed there apart from the colors. So you can see between One Dark Pro and One Monokai, which I'm showing now, the only thing that changes is really the colors. There's slight variations of the background, and then the actual color of the text is different. So I would say if you like this sort of theme, just choose the one with which colors you like more. So between One Monokai and One Dark Pro, they're both really good. And now we have arrived at the 10th theme. So ladies and gentlemen, this is officially the best theme, in my opinion, for VS Code. And let's get into it now. And that is the Light Plus. I really, really like this theme. And, you know, I think the colors, there's just something about it. It's just, I don't know, it's just the contrast, you know, the color palette. Okay, no, I'm joking. This is not my favorite theme. I do not like light themes. So the actual best theme that I like is Pale Night. Now this theme, it's just all of the good things from all of the other themes, like combined into one. And this theme I think just looks the best. And I actually use the mild contrast variation. So as you can see, you can easily distinguish between the main editor and the sidebar, whereas if you use just a normal Pale Night, it sort of blends in, and then when you're trying to make this bigger or larger, sometimes it's difficult to see where the arrow is. So the mild contrast variation, you can see easily where the border is. And yeah, I use this theme every day. It's my go-to theme. It works any time of the day. And I think it's just really relaxing to look at. All of the colors just look so nice. And yeah, I'd really recommend that you guys check out this theme, as I think it's the best. And I'm sure you guys will like it too. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hopefully your eyes will now thank me after watching this and you change your theme. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and also consider subscribing to my channel for more stuff like this. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.